Hi, this is Rachel with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to space out round beads with Toho Demi rounds on the Wrapit Loom. So when you're designing with the Wrapit Loom, spacing out your wraps is very important. When the beads are straight on the loom, they can be flat, but remember that they're going to be curved on your wrist. So especially when you're working with round beads, it can be tricky to space them out so you don't crowd the beads when they're too close together. So I'm going to show you a quick design tip to avoid crowding your beads by spacing them out with demi rounds. So as you can see, my Wrapit Loom is already set up. I'm using the Wrapit Loom Professional Series Duo, and I already have my leather cords, my button, and my Griffin silk threads all set up here, and we have another great video showing you exactly how to put together your Wrapit Loom so you can start adding your beads. So this is just a quick design tip video, and for this video I'm using 6mm Crazy Lace Agate purple gemstone beads from Dakota stones, and I love the color of these beautiful mottled purple beads. I'm also using 2 sizes of Toho Demi round beads. I'm using the 8/0 beads in matte dark copper, this is the larger size, and I'm using 11/0 demi round beads in bronze, this is the small size. So to start, the first thing I'm going to do, like always on the Wrapit Loom, is I'm going to do my wraps. So I'll take my left thread, go under one side and out the top, and just pull that thread out to the side. And I'll repeat that on the other side. So I'll pick up my right thread, go underneath and up out the top, and pull that thread to the right. And now I'm ready to add another row of beads. So I'm going to pick up 1 8/0 demi round, 3 11/0 demi rounds, and 1 more 8/0. And I'm going to slide these beads down on my thread, then pick up my other thread and cross the attached needle through the beads, the same way we would always add beads on the Wrapit Loom. And I'm going to pull that thread out to the other side. And I'm just going to pull these beads and tighten them down on the loom. And now, as you can see, this little row of beads creates an hourglass shape that really fills in the negative space between the round beads. So now I'm going to add a round bead to show you exactly how it sits together. So again, I'm going to start with my wraps, up and out the middle and out to the side with my right thread, and up and out the middle and out to the side with my left thread. And now I'm going to pick up one of these beautiful purple Crazy Lace Agate beads, pick up my other thread and cross through the hole. And pull that bead down to the loom. And there you go. Now you can see that this round bead is sitting in the curve of the demi rounds, and that those demi rounds are really just taking up the negative space between the beads. And this will prevent your beads from overcrowding and lend a beautiful look to your piece. So that is how to space out round beads with demi rounds on the Wrapit Loom. You can find all of these supplies at beadaholique.com. Thanks so much for watching.